Good day everyone, and welcome back to another mukbang with the Ralphies. Today in this mukbang we are having
peanut butter and
jam the sandwich. We haven't had peanut butter and jam sandwiches in a long time.
And we have not recorded it for you guys. So you are in for a special treat.
Something so simple, but so delicious and good.
Oh, yes.
And so filling, too.
Yeah.
With the protein, the peanut butter, and a nice hot cup of coffee.
So what's the difference between your peanut butter sandwich and my peanut butter sandwich?
Well, she got butter before I put the peanut butter in the jam on. And mine haven't got the butter.
You know what? You have the butter.
Oh, I believe I buttered. I believe I buttered one slice.
Well, you did.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There you go.
Okay.
I thought it was specialer. More special.
Love you.
Is the coffee good? Love you too.
Very good. Very delicious.
Oh yeah.
Take a bite and tell me what you think.
Oh.
Or tell the viewers and subscribers what you think. Oh yeah.
Yummy.
Don't mess with our peanut butter and jam sandwiches.
Isn't that great?
Freshly picked blueberries.
Oh yeah.
Made into jam. Right there. If you guys like peanut butter and jam sandwiches, smack the thumbs up button.
Yeah. It's so good.
It is.
Thank you so much
You're welcome.
for making these delicious sandwiches. Two of us.
I think you guys are going to see more outdoor scenes of us picking berries or doing ASMR mukbangs or whatever like that. Especially if it's a nice day, right?
For the next month, maybe?
Until the weather starts acting up and snow and stuff like that, you won't see us. No. We won't be picking berries in a snowstorm, put it that way.
But yeah, for the next month, we'll be in the woods doing recordings. Plus, we'll do some at home too.
For sure.
I got my eye on you. I've had my eye on you for years. How is that brand new information? So good. So what are you guys doing today? Are you home around the house? Are you doing projects around the house? Are you shopping? Grocery shopping? Are you making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich as we record this? I was going to say as we speak.
It's so good.
It's so good. We just thought of it today. We haven't done this for you guys. So Daryl jumped up. Let's go record. Hey, babe. Nothing like it though.
No. Crumbs on my finger.
These are like teacups compared to what I'm used to. I like mug, like really tall mug.
Deep.
And full. Do you guys like a little teacup? Or do you like, it is a coffee mug, but to me it looks like a teacup. Do you guys like a small coffee cup or do you like a big coffee cup? Let us know.
Yeah.
This is like a tease for real.
It is, yes.
For me, you know it. This is like a tease. Yeah, baby.
But it's nice every now and then.
To tease your wife?
Yeah.
Oh.
You teases me all the time.
Every day.
Every day.
Especially when I stare at you.
Try some of my coffee. Oh my goodness, I'll never wash that side of my face again.
Yeah, maybe. Have a bite.
Call it what you may.
Have a bite.
No, I have my sandwiches. Thank you, though. Thank you for the nice
Gesture.
Excuse me.
I like to slowly eat my food, so I'm enjoying it.
Me too.
No, right. If you believe that, you guys, you believe anything, eh?
I just don't play with my food.
No. I'm not either.
Some people can play with their food for hours. Take their fork and play with it and...
Make trails in the mashed potato.
Yeah. But I just put the fork in to the mouth.
Well, that almost wastes my coffee.
And that's it.
Cheers, boys.
Hey, bye.
I said cheers.
Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers. Woohoo.
Cheers. Woo.
Sweet.
Nectar.
So, that wraps up another mukbang today with the Ralphies. So, if you like this video today, make sure you what? Smack that thumbs up button.
Yeah, baby. Don't forget to subscribe to the Ralphies
For more upcoming videos.
ASMR.
ASMR videos.
No, I said ASMR.
Okay.
ASMR
Mukbang.
videos coming straight from
The Ralphies.
Yeah. Good job we're not here doing an ASMR. We'd wake you right up.
Bye bye.
So until next time, we'll catch you right back here with the Ralphies.
So for now, we're going to say peace. We are out of here. Have a great evening, everyone. Cheers, boys.